This is Trainer2, welcome to a brand new video, and today I'm going to leave that in. Today I will be building my first computer. Now, this case, what is it? It's a Cooler Master Cyber Power something or other, I don't actually know. This has already had a PC, as you can see, in it, so some of the components. But that motherboard, I believe, is fried, out that I know of. Just Squirtle Bean eating crisps. Using an AMD Ryzen 2600, Ryzen 5 2600. Now I've got to line the arrow, here on the bottom left, you can't see it, my fingers in the way, with the little arrow here. Lift that up. That's hurting my fingers. There we go. There, that's that on. Now I'm going to get the processor cooler. Graphics cards in. Just wanted to say. Lovely MSI. So, day 2. And I got a power supply. This Corsair CX550. Well, I took the cable tie thing off it, which I shouldn't have done.
Try the one above.
What? Hey! Woo!
Well, not quite. Hang on.
It's fine, it's just revved down.
Should have beeped.
I mean, it should have beeped.
Have you got anything out on the video?
No.
Oh, yeah.
AMD Radeon 6-core processor. DDRM frequency 16 gig, but single 2133 megahertz, and it's a 33. Open up, overclock that to the right speed. USB device total nothing. Detected SATA port 4, which is this. Devices changed. CPU memory has. I get my keyboard. I can smell the new. Plug that in. Press F1 to run setup. I need to buy a Windows key in a minute. Let me get my mouse. Oh, it's already there. CPU frequency, that is the right frequency. Let me. Wireless adapter. ASUS, of course. Now, it does come with an external antenna base, but I don't need that. Also, IO shield thing. So yeah, I'm just going to install the light on. Won't do much, but does something. So, if I get the wireless adapter here, nice red, will it fit? Oh, hello. I wonder if it'll fit up here. I think it will. Yeah, that'll fit. Because then I got more breathing room for the graphics card. And that's in. There we go. I just got the screw that I nicked from the out. This is one of the. Bring that in closer. One of those screws that I had in the case to keep it in, but I need to buy those screws. There we go, that's that installed. Now for the case fans. This is it here, the RGB fan. I'm all ready to go for the first boot up with everything installed. I've already booted it up once and had a setup. But, yeah. Those fans are running.
The RGB.
Well, they haven't. The RGB is not on yet. F8.
F11.
Oh, F11.
Or was it Control F5?
I think it was F11. No, I just retrieved it. It's a Seagate Barracuda 2 terabyte 3.5 inch hard drive. It won't focus. With 256 megs of cache. Turns out I need one of these, but I'm not paying 30 quid for it. That's well overpriced for just an RGB fan controller with literally just plug stuff into it. I'm not paying that. But also, I can't find the RGB pin heads on the motherboard, so but I got the light working, but that'll do. So thank you so much for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you all in the next video. Bye bye.